Hi, my name is Megan Dre, and I'm going to tell you what I learned in my research on gender in the workplace. I had three methods of research that I did, and I searched databases, and I did some data mining, and I did 3 interviews with Dean Dre, Bob Babe, and Larry Hauser. Dean Dre is the owner-operator at Dre Farms, Bob Babe is the production manager at VT Industries, and Larry Hauser is the owner and operator at ESAC FFA Farm Plot. My first topic is that men and women have different work ethics. Women are more hesitant to work and do tasks where the men just go after the tasks they are presented with. Women are more reserved than men, and they want to know all the details before they go ahead and do it. So women are more detail-oriented than men. Previous generations have set us up for this because men were always outside doing all the farm work. They were the ones just doing it all. And women were inside doing the housework, cooking, cleaning, and their mothers were just educating them. However, women are beginning jobs at higher hourly wages than men, but men are more likely to become a manager or boss by 9%. This information comes from the Association for Talent Development. This chart shows benefits and how they are important to men and women. So about 2/3 of people say that benefits are very important to them, and a little less than a third, say that benefits are somewhat important when they're picking out a job, and just a little sliver of people say that benefits are not important at all when they are picking out a job. So women have a preference for part-time work, and this is because they need time out for childbearing, and they have a priority for family over career, which when women are searching for jobs, they will make sure that they can have these benefits before they commit to doing a job. So this chart shows what men and women think are the most important issues that are facing the working world or working women in this country today. 37% of women say equal and fair pay is a major issue, and 41% of men say that equal and fair pay is a major issue for women. There were 1,252 respondents that were surveyed, and this information came from Statistica in 2018. All my interviews told me that not all places of employment will treat employees equally, and that I need to do research before applying to a job and make sure I am comfortable with what they offer. So gender differences in the workplace are real, and action needs to be taken to deplete the differences between men and women in the workplace. And if we work together and we will be able to get women on the same level as men.